Hello everyone, welcome to Ryzel. Today I'm going to show you how you can put the logo or the watermark on all of your photos. Like if you have 50 photos, 100 photos or more than 100 photos. The putting logo on individual photo one by one is very hectic and it will take a lot of your time. So I'm going to show you the easiest way in which you can put the logo on 100 photos in just few seconds. So let's get started. Let's move on to the screen. Go to Google, type here AVS for you and press enter. After pressing enter, this will appear. Open the first link and you will see this screen. Go to the header section and go to AVS image converter. I will open this in the new tab and this will appear. Just simply click on the download now button and you can see it is downloading. I've already downloaded it, so I'm going to cancel it and I will open the AVS image converter directly. Okay, so this is our AVS image converter. You will see the screen. Don't worry if it asks you to buy the full version because you are not going to need that. And now here I have a bunch of photos that I want to put my logo on. I will go here on AVS. I will load these photos. Now I need to put the logo. Make sure the quality is set to 100 if you wanted the best result. It will not compress the photo and it will not the photos will not lose the quality. Simply go to Watermark. Here you can see the watermark. Click on Watermark and click on Browse, and I will now simply locate the photo that I want to use. I will use this one and open, and here you can see here's my logo. I want to put it in the left corner, left upper corner, and I will place it here like this. If you want to change the opacity, like if you are putting the watermark on the photo, you can just simply place it in the middle or anywhere you want to put the watermark. But right now I'm putting the logo, so I'll keep the opacity to 100. Okay, from here you can change the opacity. Okay, now simply everything is correct. If you want to add the text watermark, like here, I will place here like my name. I place it in Ryzel, and I'll place the image here. Now I will go to this and visual size. It's 3, and I will decrease its opacity to this. Okay, now. In the shadow section, I don't want it. In the fan section, I want to leave the opacity to this. Okay, now just simply click on convert now, and it will convert the photos in few seconds, and click on open folder to see. And here we have all of our photos, and I just want to show you that watermark is on. You can see here's our logo Anna, and here you can see it is showing the watermark here. You can see it's Ryzel and Anna on every photo. So this is an easy way to put the logos on all of the photos at once. So that's all for today. If you like the video, don't forget to share it with your friends and subscribe the channel. Thank you very much. I will see you in the next video.